Welcome to today's post-market analysis. So as usual, we'll begin with FII data. So on Tuesday, 27th August, we could see that not much activity has happened in FII data. Now we'll look at index level trades that we give in the morning. So as you can see, Nifty sell level was at 25,075. It hit here and took our stop loss of 50 points approximately, or 50 points, and then at the end it again crossed our sell level, and from there we got 45 points. So in Nifty it was almost nil to nil, and in Bank Nifty no trades happened in index levels. Moving on, we'll look at the OI summary indicator that we have. So in the morning at 9:30 we can see we got a bearish condition over here. So from there market fell around 40 points approximately. From over here it fell 40 points, and then throughout the whole day it remained sideways most of the time in that range from 100 to 200, and then data became really here and there, not very conclusive, you can say. And at the very end in Bank Nifty at 15:15 it became conclusive that it will fall, but it's almost the end, so we wouldn't have taken a trade here. We'll look at Nifty now. Yep. So in Nifty, as you can see in the morning at 9:40, there was a bearish sentiment here, and then it became really here and there data showing bullish and bearish and all. But over here at 9:15, at 11:15, sorry, we can see all three data points are bullish now, and from here, we got around 100 points in Nifty, and we can also look at PCR and OI over here. Yep. So in Bank Nifty at 11:15, we can see that we were in a buy zone for PCR and premium future VWAP condition. So from there we got a good trade in Nifty, and in probabilities we will also look at probabilities. Just give me a sec. Yep. In probabilities we could see that at 11:15 it was in a bullish zone with a 99.99% and a 63%. So overall in Nifty after at 11:15 it was a bullish trend, and after there we can see that market did go up a lot. From here it went around 60 points up one way. So you can use this website. It's completely free to use right now. We provide many options, and we are planning to keep on updating it over some time. Every week we'll update, add a new page into it. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Before I end it, we'll look at FII activity for today, for yesterday, I mean, on Wednesday, so yesterday afternoon, we can see that a lot of selling has happened in index options, specifically speaking Bank Nifty. So our view will be that Bank Nifty will be bearish today, and Nifty is showing bullish. So it will most probably mean that market will remain either bearish or sideways a bit. But yeah, we'll see today. Anyways, see ya guys. Bye.